Hi friends, welcome to the channel, The Nurse. Here we are discussing about nursing questions related to drug of choice or antidote. That's related to drug poisoning, overdose, drug toxicity. So we will discuss in detail. Before that, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, don't forget. If you are planning for higher studies, Unacademy introduces Surefire strategy to crack CSIR UGC NET examinations in the coming year. So it will be a best opportunity. Today 10 o'clock, Madam Deepshika Goswami starts taking class at 10 o'clock. The classes will be in Hindi, so you will get all class notes in English. So I will give you a link in description box. You can check it there and you can join freely. So it is a best opportunity, don't miss it. If you are prepared early, you can score higher and get a good opportunity in the top colleges in the India. So we'll go to our topic, drug of choice or antidote related to poisoning, drug overdose, drug toxicity. Screen. In organophosphorus poisoning, which of the following traditional medicine is used? Succimer, pyridoxine, atropine, naloxone. Correct answer is atropine. Atropine is used in organophosphorus poisoning. Next question. Which therapeutic agent is called the universal antidote? Which therapeutic agent is called the universal antidote? Protamine sulfate, physostigmine, glucose, activated charcoal. The correct answer is activated charcoal. Activated charcoal known as universal antidote because in most of the ingested poisoning we can use activated charcoal as an antidote, or we can use activated charcoal to neutralize the ingested, that is taken through orally. So in that case we can use activated charcoal to neutralize the poisoning effect, or it will reduce the absorption of the poison. So next question. The oxygen inhalation is used in the treatment of dash poisoning. The oxygen inhalation is used in the treatment of dash poisoning. Alcohol, carbon monoxide, mushroom, arsenic. The correct answer is carbon monoxide poisoning. Oxygen inhalation is used in carbon monoxide poisoning. In carbon monoxide, hyperbaric oxygen therapy is used. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy means administration of pure oxygen in a chamber in which air pressure is 2 to 3 times higher than the normal. So in this case, we can remove the carbon monoxide with oxygen from the blood. So by using the high pressured pure oxygen for the treatment of carbon monoxide poisoning, we can remove easily the carbon monoxide from the blood. Next question. Which of the following remedy used in treatment of insulin overdose? Which of the following remedy is used in the treatment of insulin overdose? Intravenous or oral glucose or fruit juice, oral hypoglycemic agents, avoid following diet, plenty of fluids. Insulin overdose means it will reduce the blood glucose level due to the high insulin. So in that case we will use intravenous or oral glucose or fruit juice. Intravenous glucose might not be available in every time, so in that case we will use oral glucose. If oral glucose also is not there, means we can give fruit juices to increase the blood glucose level, because insulin will reduce higher dose of insulin will reduce the glucose level, so we need to replace that glucose with intravenous or oral glucose. So next question. In which medicine overdose the vitamin K is administered as an antidote? Vitamin K is used as antidote in which case? Heparin, aminocaproic acid, warfarin, diphenoxylate. Correct answer is warfarin. In warfarin overdose, we will use vitamin K as a antidote. Antidote of warfarin, vitamin K. Next question. The drug deferoxamine is administered in which drug overdose? The drug deferoxamine is administered in which drug overdose? Iron, digoxin, beta blockers, calcium gluconate. Correct answer, iron. Iron toxicity overdose is deferoxamine. So next question. Which drug of choice in isoniazid toxicity? Antidote of isoniazid toxicity. Options: diphenhydramine, pyridoxine, atropine, aminocaproic acid. Antidote of INH toxicity. Correct answer is pyridoxine. Pyridoxine is an antidote of isoniazid or INH toxicity. Next question. What do you mean by idiosyncrasy in pharmacology? What do you mean by idiosyncrasy in pharmacology? The ability of a substance to cause cancer, an unexpected reaction to a drug that occurs the first time it is given, the ability of a substance to cause abnormal fetal development when taken by pregnant women, a fever associated with the administration of medication. Idiosyncrasy. The correct answer is unexpected reaction to a drug that occurs the first time it is given. Unexpected reaction that we cannot expect in normal scenario. So that is abnormal reaction to a drug that occurs in the first time when it is given. Idiosyncrasy. Next question. Which of the following medicine used for cyanide poisoning? Antidote of cyanide poisoning. Succimer, pyridoxine, sodium thiosulfate and sodium nitrate. That combination is known as nithiodot. Then naloxone. Correct answer is sodium thiosulfate and sodium nitrate is used as an antidote of cyanide poisoning. Earlier this combination is used, but now one more drug is added with this combination, that is hydrocobalamin. Hydrocobalamin, sodium thiosulfate and sodium nitrate is used for cyanide poisoning. Next question. In which poisoning the digibind is used as an effective antidote? In which poisoning the digibind is used as an effective antidote? Digoxin, benzodiazepines, atropine, cholinergics. Correct answer, digoxin toxicity. In digoxin toxicity, digibind is an antidote. Digoxin toxicity symptoms includes nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, bradycardia, irregular rhythm, fainting and visual changes. Visual changes, halos around the light. So these are the symptoms of digoxin toxicity. Antidote is digibind. Next question. How does the overdose of benzodiazepine is treated? How does the overdose of benzodiazepine is treated? Or antidote of benzodiazepine. Options: flumazenil, N-acetylcysteine, protamine, physostigmine. Correct answer is flumazenil. Flumazenil is antidote of benzodiazepines. Benzodiazepine examples includes lorazepam, diazepam, clonazepam, midazolam. These are the examples of benzodiazepine. In the case of benzodiazepine overdose, we can use flumazenil as an antidote. Next question. What medicine is used for treatment of drug-induced movement disorder? Which of the following medicine is used for the treatment of drug-induced movement disorder? Options: acetylcysteine, benztropine, calcium gluconate, atropine. Correct answer is benztropine. Benztropine is used as a drug-induced movement disorder or drug-induced Parkinsonism. Benztropine is an example of anticholinergic drug. It is used commonly for drug-induced movement disorder. Parkinsonism causing drugs are antipsychotic drugs. These are the main drug causing Parkinsonism. Next question. In which medicine overdose the protamine sulfate is administered? In which medicine overdose the protamine sulfate is administered? Options: insulin, anticholinergica, warfarin, heparin. The protamine sulfate is used in heparin toxicity. Next question. What is the adult dose of naloxone in opioid poisoning? What is the adult dose of naloxone in opioid poisoning? IM 1 gram Q 8 hourly PRN, IV 50 to 150 microgram per kilogram, per oral 140 milligram per kilogram, IV 0.4 to 2 mg PRN. Dose of naloxone in opioid poisoning. Correct answer: IV 0.4 to 2 mg PRN. Naloxone dose in opioid poisoning is IV 0.4 to 2 mg PRN. Opioid includes morphine, pethidine, fentanyl. These are the examples of opioid. In the case of opioid poisoning, naloxone is the drug of choice or antidote. The dose of naloxone is IV 0.4 to 2 mg PRN. Next question. Which of the following drug is an antidote of anticholinergic poisoning? Which of the following drug is used as an antidote of anticholinergic poisoning? Physostigmine, atropine, pyridoxine, deferoxamine. Correct answer: physostigmine. Physostigmine is used as an antidote of anticholinergic toxicity. Next question. Anticholinergic already we discussed. Examples includes atropine, benztropine. Benztropine is a drug of choice in drug-induced movement disorder or drug-induced Parkinsonism. Other examples of anticholinergics include glycopyrrolate, ipratropium, that is Ipravent. It is used in asthma for nebulization. Trihexyphenidyl. Trihexyphenidyl is used along with the antipsychotics to reduce the extrapyramidal symptoms caused by antipsychotic drug. So these are the examples of anticholinergic drugs. So next question. In which poisoning the drug penicillamine is administered as an antidote? In which poisoning the drug penicillamine is used as an antidote? Antimuscarinic drug, opioids, copper, gold, lead and mercury poisoning, carbon monoxide poisoning. Penicillamine is used as an antidote. Correct answer: copper, gold, lead and mercury poisoning. Penicillamine is an antidote. Copper, gold, lead and mercury poisoning, we can use penicillamine as an antidote. Next question. Which drug is used in acetaminophen overdose? Which drug is used in acetaminophen overdose? Acetyl salicylic acid, acetylcysteine, physostigmine, flumazenil. Correct answer is N-acetylcysteine. Acetaminophen means paracetamol. In paracetamol overdose, we can use acetylcysteine as an antidote. Next question. Which of the following medicine can be used in severe lead poisoning? Which of the following medicine can be used in severe lead poisoning or antidote of severe lead poisoning? Succimer, pyridoxine, atropine, naloxone. Correct answer is Succimer. Succimer is used as an antidote of severe lead poisoning. Next question. What will be the serum lithium level in lithium toxicity? What will be the serum lithium level in lithium toxicity? 0.8 milliequivalent per liter, 0.2 milliequivalent per liter, greater than 0.1 milliequivalent per liter, 0.6 milliequivalent per liter. Correct answer is greater than 2 milliequivalent per liter. Lithium level in lithium toxicity is greater than 2 milliequivalent per liter. Therapeutic lithium level is 0.6 to 1.2 milliequivalent per liter. More than 1.2 to 2 up to 2, it is considered as a risky level. So if it is more than 2, it is called lithium toxic level. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, The Nurse, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, The Nurse. Please like and share this video. Thank you.